Is your laptop running super slow on Windows 11? Let's fix it in under 2 minutes with 5 simple tricks. First, let's disable startup apps. Right-click the Start button and choose Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab and disable anything you don't need right when your computer boots up. This one change can make a huge difference. Second, free up storage. Go to Settings, then System, and click on Storage. Turn on Storage Sense, and also take a moment to delete temporary files. A cluttered drive slows everything down. Third, close background apps. Open Task Manager again and look for apps hogging your CPU or memory. Right-click on them and hit End Task. Fourth, update Windows. Head back to Settings, then Windows Update, and install any available updates. These often include performance fixes. And finally, the easiest fix of all, restart your laptop. If it's been a while, a simple restart can clear out the memory and give you a fresh, speedy start. Follow Simple Tech Fix for more quick tech solutions. Thanks for watching.